Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you Vivo Y51 Smartphone feature. I'm going to show you how to enable and use it. Okay, to enable it, first go to settings, and settings, slide down and go to shortcuts and accessibility. Okay, now in this go to smart motion, and you can see Smartphone, tap over there and you can see swipe up to unlock, swipe down to take a photo, draw C to launch dollar, draw M to play music, swipe horizontally to change music, draw E to launch browser, and draw F to launch Facebook. Now tap over there to enable all these features. Okay, and if we slide up, here you can see if we slide up, phone will unlock. And if we draw C, you can see if we draw C, launcher launched. You can see launcher launched. If you draw C, launcher will launched like this, you can see. And if we draw F, Facebook will launched. Okay, Facebook launched. So guys, this is the method to use smart wave feature in Vivo Y51 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.